Pigeon Multi-Purpose Electric Kettle, 1 LTR. Pigeon aims to make your life easier by giving you easy-to-operate products. With this product, you can boil water to make tea or just a warm glass of water to make your itchy throat stop. Moreover, it's also used for cooking and other household uses. Pigeon Steel Electric Kettle is bringing to you its latest kettle that boils water in minutes. This product is available with a 1-year warranty and at an affordable price. Drip-proof on-off switch. This easy-to-use electric kettle has a single-touch lid locking system and comes with a drip-proof switch feature. In order to let you do other things while boiling water, it has an automatic cut-off which stops itself on reaching boiling point. It also has a power indicator. To add to these features, it is also a kettle with single-touch locking lid. Compact design. This kettle with single-touch locking lid is available in a combination of black and silver. The Pigeon Steel Electric Kettle has a sleek and stylish look that differentiates it from other kettles. It has a wide mouth which makes it an easy-to-wash kettle along with a 360-degree swivel base. This kettle with long cord allows you to place it in a space that is convenient to you. Other important features. It becomes a task for families to prepare a cup of coffee or tea at regular intervals. Pigeon Steel Electric Kettle is made to solve this problem by making boiling water available in no time. It is a washable and extremely easy to use kettle. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like the video and don't forget to subscribe.